So this is the early morning testing the Osmo Action. You need to be the judge. How good is the Osmo Action? DJI Osmo Action is like 6 a.m. in the morning in Hong Kong. You need to be the judge. How good is the video quality of the Osmo Action? Yeah, I mean Osmo Action is really made for action, to be honest with you. This is literally very much wide. I mean, is there a rolling shutter? I don't think so. So yeah, Jimmy and Geek testing the Osmo Action because I'm staying in the Marriott Hotel. Marriott Hotel, yeah, Marriott Hotel. And that is the hotel which I'm staying. There's a lot of construction happening, as you can see. And this is my stupid friend. He is going to gym, I mean. I just meet him in the hotel and then we become friends, you can say. I'm just kidding, I know him already. So yeah. So okay, the screen just go dim. So right now we are already recording, but the screen go dim for no reason.
Bro, that's not good.
Okay.
Maybe it's switched off.
Okay, the screen come again to light because I think there's a screen. And then this is my friend, as you can see again, my friend is here. Okay, now move. So how good is this Osmo Action? I just bought it for 2,400, just testing it. I just bought it yesterday. This is my first video which I'm testing it. Again, my stupid friend, you can see he look like an absolutely idiot. Yeah, I think the video quality is quite good. I mean, in the low light. What do you have to say?
It's alright.
F you, man. I paid $2,600 and you say it's alright.
Nah, I'm just kidding, bro. It's really good. I like the function. It's really well and it works really smooth.
Really?
Yeah, it works really smooth. I suggest everybody to get one if you want it to be convenient while walking around holding a camera
And
like
it's
this.
it's waterproof also.
It's waterproof.
Yeah,
That's
I
cool,
can
bro.
take it in the swimming pool.
Even if it's raining, it's going on, bruh.
Okay,
So
that's
it's
enough.
really
I'm
cool.
gonna cut the video here.
Alright, fuck off.
Check out the link, subscribe and bye.